madness.
Hello and welcome to Tuhin Editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can use typewriter effect text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically I have downloaded a paper texture. It's a complete free image that I have given link in the description. You can easily download it, and I have placed it in the timeline. And now I'm going to add some text which will be a typewriter text effect eventually. So I'm going to use a font that is called Silk Remington, which is a typewriter font, and you can also download other fonts or use normal font if you want. I have added a text and I'm going to place it on the middle. And right now I'm going to add a linear sweep effect, linear wipe effect. If you can find this one, go to the effect bar, search bar, and type linear. You'll find the linear wipe. Just drag it and place it on the text. You will see on the effect control there is linear wipe. Make sure you click on the text and go to the linear wipe. Go to the first part and transition complete. Make sure you make a keyframe here and make that 100%. I'm going to place the marker here and make another keyframe, and this will be 0%. So if you play, you'll see it's a wiping effect, but it's in the wrong direction. So I'm going to change the wipe angle to 270 degree. Now play it and you'll see it's going in the right direction. Now all we need to do, we'll add a typewriter effect on it. So go to the project, right click and make a black video, and then drag the black video on the timeline. Click on the black video and double click here, scale it lower and uncheck the uniform scale, and make a straight line like that. Double click on it. I'm going to change the position here, and right now I'm going to add a position and scale keyframe here. You can see 2 keyframe has been added. I'm going to zoom in. So when this text, the R, is visible, I'm going to drag, double click on this one and change the position so it goes here. So you can see another keyframe has been added, and there are 2 other keyframes that I have created in the first. So Ctrl C and paste it here. So let's see how it looks right now. You can see the typewriter effect is running, so we have to keep moving the bar right here and generally another keyframe will be automatically created when you move the position. So keep making the keyframes. The more detail you add, it will look better. So let's see how it comes out. Pretty nice. So yeah, I think we're done. So this is how you can make typewriter text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro very easily. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.